Alright, we're on. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Preston Pipe on here, and we're actually doing a video vlog for a change. Yeah, I thought I was done with those two. Today, we've got a Coca-Cola and a Pepsi. We've got a Coca-Cola and a Pepsi. Now, the thing is, I was watching these taste test videos, right? And they're sitting there like, oh, they taste the same. Oh, this one's Coke. This one's definitely Coke. I like Coke more. This is the shit. How are so many people not able to taste the difference? So here we've got Pepsi. I'm going to do an honest review real quick. Right off the bat, it's just sweet. It's light. The sweetness really hits on the edges of the tongue. It's just sweet, right? But it doesn't taste like sugar sweet. Now we've got the Coca-Cola. Right off the bat, there's such a different... This one's got bite to it, right? This hits you more in the fucking middle of the tongue. Hold up. This is good. It's not light either. It's not light. It doesn't hit the edges of your tongue like the fucking Pepsi does. Now, because I am a man of science, what we have here is a straw. I want to see if there's a difference between a straw versus the straight from the bottle lip. There is a very big difference if you're using a straw. This looks like it's a 2.5 millimeter circumference here. Not circumference, diameter. So if you're using a straw, it is actually a lot closer to Coke, funny enough. I'm not tasting anything, however. So what we're going to do is we're going to cleanse our palate with some water. Alright. Water cleanse. Alright, here we go again. You don't get the edges of the tongue with the straw. The flavor portfolio is still pretty light, however. So we're gonna cleanse the straw. That's right, with water. Water cleanse. And now we're going to attempt to do Coke as well. Straw tactic with the Coke. It's so much more subtle. The difference is so much more subtle if you're using a straw. That's weird. Well, I say it's weird, right? But the thing is, a lot of studies show that flavor and being able to taste things is a lot different using a straw. It's just, you just taste less. So we're gonna go back to the Pepsi. It's still light. It's still light when it comes to like it's like if cake is airy. Or the difference between pudding and Jell-O, so to speak. The flavor profile, I can still taste the difference, between Coke and Pepsi. Now, the sweetness, on the other hand, I can't really taste the difference there. I'm going to try one more time. We got Pepsi. I'm drinking too much cola. Tastes artificial as fuck. Coca-Cola. It's like Coke is thicker. I don't know how to describe that. I can very much taste the difference though, and I do prefer the Coke. But the thing is, I'm not just like Coke or Pepsi guy. I like Pepsi with pizza and I like Coke with burgers. I'm a big bag. We got that shit, though. Alright, from the bottle once more. Sides of the tongue. It's too hot to be drinking cola, guys. I got gaslit into buying this shit because everybody on the internet can't seem to taste the damn difference. Coke doesn't tickle the sides of your tongue. It doesn't do it. It doesn't trigger the tongue side sensation. I got gaslit into buying this shit because fucking internet's sitting there like, we can't tell the difference. I like Coke. This is Coke. No, it's Pepsi. Oh, it tastes better. Are you sure? This is bullshit. You're bullshit. You can't fucking taste, apparently. So anyways, I'll be doing a full-fledged video where I do blind taste testing. It's too hot to be drinking soda, bro. Give me my water back. I missed that. I'll be doing a full video where I taste test 2-liter, gas station bottle, can, and we'll be doing 3 separate tests for each of those. We're going to have the regular, the warm, or not the regular, the cold, the warm, and the straw. We'll just get a bunch of straws and put them in there. Yada yada. I think that's the best case scenario because, like, see, the thing is though, the straw did affect how it tasted overall. But the real question is, does it taste different from a bottle versus a can? If you pour it into a glass, or if you just pour it straight, just straight. Personally, I don't think that there's going to be much of a difference between pouring it into a glass versus drinking it out of the tap. But I'd have to be... Because, I know the shapes of the bottles, but I don't know the shapes of the can, because all cans are the fucking same shape, right? So if I'm blindfolded, and I can tell the difference between the cans, if I use the straw in the bottle, if I get it right with the blind taste test, if they're all in a glass, and with straws, there shouldn't be a debate on this, really. There shouldn't be like, oh, it tastes similar, it tastes the same. It doesn't taste the same. You just don't have taste buds. That's my take on it. I'll be doing a full-fledged video on this. I'd say at the end of July. At the end of July, we'll do a full-fledged, whole scientific database taste test. That makes sense to me. Makes sense to me. That's the only thing I can think of, because I can taste the difference between these two. I can see these two, sure, but I'm focusing on my actual taste. I like both of these. This one's slightly better, just because I like it more. But I like both of them. Sometimes this does not hit though. This warm is shit. We'll find out though in the next taste test video when we do a full-fledged one. That's all I can say for now. Straw makes a difference. A big difference. And there are subtleties into each of these drinks that take a different effect physically on your tongue, I would say. One more time for the road. Pepsi. I will say that the Pepsi is a little bit more refreshing, but that's probably because it's super hot out. and Coke. This reminds me of those Haribo gummies. They had those like cola gummies. It was just Coke, 100%. The Haribo gummies taste like Coca-Cola. Sam's Cola, though it has a red can, tastes like Pepsi. Oh, you know what? I should throw Sam's Cola into the mix as well, just to see if I can actually pick it out from Pepsi. Idea for next time, right? We'll do Coke, Pepsi, Sam's Cola. Because it wants to be Coke, but it's just Pepsi, right? Right? That's how I see it. That's how it tastes to me. And my taste buds are accurate when it comes to this kind of stuff. But I'll see you guys on the 4th of July with another taste test video. We'll go ahead and do blindfolded, whatever. Because I can taste the damn difference. I can. I don't know how people can't. But maybe being blindfolded might do something. I don't think it will. I'm almost certain it won't. Pepsi. Pepsi bottle. Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn. There's such a difference. It's so clear to me personally that there is a difference here. Whatever. Maybe we should find like a 4th soda as well. I'll have to run it through the group chat. See what other contender there can be. Try to throw my taste off, right? And we'll do like the first round. I don't have water to cleanse palate. Second round I will. If I get this with 100% accuracy, all those fucking videos online must be fake, or people just cannot taste. We'll find out. We'll find out at the end of July. We'll figure it out, right? So we got Coke, Pepsi, Sam's Cola, and there's gonna be a mystery one there, like what? Like Shasta? Probably. If I can find Shasta, we'll do Shasta. Because I know that drinking it from a bottle versus from a can, it's so subtle of a difference. It's not even worth mentioning, to be honest. The straw makes a huge difference. I can taste the damn difference between these two. That's all there is to it. I will see you guys in July with another taste test video. Pressing a pipe on, signing out.